Alright friends, this channel is blowing my mind. In less than 2 months, it's already got over 210,000 subscribers and nearly 20 million views. Maybe you're thinking, 20 million views? So what? But wait, these aren't YouTube shorts. These are long-form videos. And what's great about long-form videos? Higher RPM, that's revenue per meal, or simply put, how much cash you earn per 1,000 views. The average RPM for long-form videos? $3. Just check this out. There are multiple videos hitting over 1 million views and tons more in the hundreds of thousands. Do the math. Imagine how much you'd earn from just 1 million views. But wait, can videos like these be easily replicated? Absolutely, yes. So hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons on Monetize with Al. Alright, let's jump right in. Through research, you'll notice these videos mainly focus on topics like senior health and life wisdom. The best part? They're super easy to make, perfect for beginners or anyone short on time. And get this, you don't even need to show your face or shoot your own footage. Cool, right? Today's video covers how to pick the right topic, how to write viral scripts, how to get voiceover, how to find free footage, and how to create amazing thumbnails. Stay tuned till the end. You won't want to miss a single detail. Step 1. Picking your topic. How do we do it? Hop onto ChatGPT or DeepSeek. If you've got ChatGPT Plus, awesome, use it. If not, DeepSeek is your free buddy. Let's use ChatGPT for our example. Open up a new chat, analyze your target channel, copy channel info, titles, and details, paste it into ChatGPT, and boom. The purpose of this step is to tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. In seconds, you'll get a detailed analysis and helpful suggestions. Pretty cool, right? Now let's nail down our topic. Just paste this simple prompt into ChatGPT and bam! You instantly get 20 fresh video ideas. Want more? Just say, give me 20 more. Easy peasy. Time for the next step. Creating your viral script. Let's use the topic, 7 hidden signs your heart could fail after 70. What doctors want you to know now. As an example, here's what you do. First, type this prompt into ChatGPT. Now I'm going to give you some scripts. Please analyze them. Then click on any popular video, copy its link from the share button, and head to YouTube transcript. Paste the link and get the full transcript. But hold up, don't use it directly. We want original content. Copy this transcript, bring it back to ChatGPT, and let it analyze. Once it's done, it's time to create your own script. Wondering how? Don't stress. I'll share all these prompts in my WhatsApp channel. Click the free link in the description to join. Joining my WhatsApp channel gets you early video access plus all my secret prompts. Once your script is ready, let's jump to Voiceovers. Voiceovers are easy with 11 Labs. Each free account gets 10,000 characters a month. Need more? Create multiple free accounts or subscribe. Prices are pretty reasonable. Link in the description if you need it. Alright, click Go to App. Scroll down to Explore Library. Choose your favorite language, accent, and age. I personally like Bill Oxley. Hit Use, paste your script, and click Generate. Download and save to your computer. Next up, footage. These videos usually feature simple aerial landscape shots. Head to Pexels or Pixabay for copyright-free clips. Search aerial photography or FPV drones, pick your favorites, download, and you're set. Editing time with CapCut. Open CapCut, import footage and your voiceover. Drag your voiceover onto the timeline, trim any awkward pauses, then add your footage clips. Keep each clip around 5 to 10 seconds for smooth pacing. Add transitions. I like the classic fade to black. Just drag it between 2 clips and hit apply to all. Next, drop in a filter. I recommend Clear 2. Click the plus icon and drag it across your entire timeline. Time for captions. Hit text, select auto captions, pick English, and generate. Adjust fonts and sizes as you like. To match the style of popular videos, group everything by selecting all, right-click, and hit Create Compound Clip. Then add an intro quote at the beginning. Select text, type your quote, animate it with typing effects, and throw in some keyboard tapping sounds for extra style. Almost done. Now, background music. Go straight to YouTube Studio's audio library. Choose Calm Tracks. Download, import into CapCut. Trim to length, lower volume to around punch 15, and export your masterpiece. Wait, what about a thumbnail? Easy. Jump onto Canva, hit Create a Design, type YouTube thumbnail, search Park under Elements, pick a scene, set it as background. Then search Elderly Man, choose a photo, hit BG Remover, position him nicely, add your catchy text, tweak sizes and colors, download, and done. And that's it. Check out the final result.
Do you ever feel your heart beating just a little differently and wonder, is it just aging or something more serious? After 70, every heartbeat matters, and the truth is, your body often sends subtle clues about your heart health that are easy to overlook. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to reveal 7 hidden signs your heart could fail after 70. Critical warnings doctors urgently want you to know right now. By understanding these signs, you'll be equipped to recognize potential problems early and take action to protect your heart and extend your years. Make sure you stick around until the very end, because these signs aren't always obvious. In fact, some might even surprise you, but recognizing them early can literally save your life. Let's dive right in.
So friends, what do you think? Pretty easy, huh? If you're short on time but want a steady extra income from YouTube, this niche is absolutely golden right now. Trust me, competition is still low. This is the perfect time to jump in. Still worried about monetization? Don't be. Copy the channel's link, hop onto YT Large, choose Monetization Checker, paste your link, type in the code, and boom. You'll see this channel's already monetized. Alright, that wraps up today's video. Questions? Drop a comment. I reply to all of them ASAP. And hey, if this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and share. Plus, I highly recommend checking out my other videos. You never know which one will spark your next big idea. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Good luck.